Creating a profitable dropshipping website with WordPress using the AliDropship plugin is one of the most accessible ways to launch an e-commerce business without holding inventory. In this video, I'll show you how to make a profitable dropshipping website with WordPress using AliDropship. So to get started, go ahead and set up hosting and WordPress. Choose a reliable hosting provider like Hostinger or SiteGround. You can also use the domains available on WordPress. After that, go ahead and install AliDropship plugin. So you need to open a new tab and then search for alidropship.com/plugin, and then from here you need to buy this plugin to be able to incorporate it with your WordPress website. So once you have bought this plugin, head back to WordPress and then upload that into the plugins tab. Now, after you upload the plugin, go ahead and choose a theme and customize your store. So use a compatible theme like Rubens or Shopper. So this is how Shopper looks like. So once we search for that in the theme section, we're able to find that at the very first result. So this is how it looks like. Customize your homepage, product pages, and navigation, and then import products from AliExpress. So use AliDropship Chrome extension to import products directly, and then edit product titles, descriptions, images, and pricing. Now integrate payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe into your WordPress website and configure shipping zones and delivery options. After that, optimize for conversion. So add trust signals such as SSL certificate, clear return policies, and contact info. Use high quality product image and persuasive copy. Now after that, go ahead and test your store. So place a test order to ensure checkout, email notifications, and order fulfillment work smoothly. And that is how you can basically make a profitable dropshipping website with WordPress using AliDropship.